is some riveting shit, guys.
Yeah.
Is this why y'all do Milsim?
For the privilege.
For the privilege? I do it for the privilege too. This is some of my airsoft gameplay from Augusta Airsoft's big game / Milsim called Battle of Badgerville 2. I spent the day of airsoft sneaking behind enemy lines, trying to put my hit and run speed soft tactics to work, to mixed effect. Enjoy. This video was also brought to you in part by GI Tactical and Airsoft GI. If you want to check out their awesome store, link in the description. Yeah, they're across the pond in that little town there.
Oh no, they've been pushed back. U.S. forces are being pushed back.
Hey.
I squad up with these two guys to flank around and come up behind the enemy players on the other side of the pond.
Flank them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm gonna move just that way into that wood line, and then I hear people over to the left. I think we should flank there.
So we're gonna go to the left.
No, we're gonna go straight and then left. Hey, just a courtesy, are you gonna respawn there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, bang! Oh, damn! You got me, GG.
Oh, I had a sniper, so I had to go around with this.
Oh, yeah, that was tense. Hit!
After that last push, I squad up with some of the guys from my local field to try and push all the way through the enemy spawn to hit the enemy in the rear.
Next to I think you can. Oh, you're young. Technically, I'm illegally hired.
On this side? Go!
Go! Clear!
Oh, you're right.
Go, go, go. Crossing. Clear.
That's it. Where? Hey, Blue, good job, guys. This is our hard spawn.
Hit.
Once again, I managed to sneak behind enemy lines to try and link up with some friendlies and hit the enemy from two sides.
What? Hey, he's going around right. I am.
Dude, I said some things, I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. They're not gonna hear anything. I mean, I've been saying terrible shit too.
At least get me throwing the frag and getting that dude.
I kind of.
Awesome.
I saw you throw the frag.
I'm not saying anything.
I can get real sneaky back here. Well, we can see that.
Oh, all right.
I apologize for
You are
Were you
fine.
already dead when I shot you?
What?
Were you already dead when I shot you?
No, I was just chilling here because I knew you guys knew I was somewhere here, and I figured that if I just laid here long enough, hopefully somebody would lose interest and like stop looking for me. So I just kept going to Slim Jim and started eating, and then you came and just. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna miss some. Time to sit around.
Now, finish your Slim Jim.